Hi YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And I hope you all had a Merry Christmas with your friends and or family. And also hope that you are having a great new year. Hope you all are still here with me. In today's video, it's going to be a short one. And I just want to make certain that I want you all to know that when it comes to wanting to know what your computer is running, whether it's the operating system, processor, there are a lot of ways to go about finding that out. But here's a quick way. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down to your taskbar, and in the search bar, you're going to type in System Information and press Enter. And when you do, this window, System Information, is going to come up. Here you have your operating system name, Microsoft Windows 11 Pro, you have the version, operating system manufacturer. Everything that you have inside this computer is inside this window. The system type, system model, processor, even a processor that you have inside your computer is listed here. So if someone is trying to help you, so like a technician, a computer technician, or someone over the internet, and they're asking you these questions, you just bring up this window and it'll tell you everything that you have on your computer, BIOS version, date. It'll tell you everything that you need to know. It'll even let you know what the motherboard, type of motherboard that you have inside your computer. In this case, I have an Asus motherboard. So it can tell you just about everything that there is in your computer. It also lists how much memory you have installed, and I do have 32 gigabytes of RAM installed. Over here, if you come over this side, it shows you hardware resources. Some of this stuff is kind of above maybe what you're thinking, conflict sharing. Don't worry about this stuff. These are things that's kind of above what you're probably used to seeing. So don't worry about it. This is for people who understand and know what it is that they're looking for in these areas. Components, you have multimedia. This is just codecs, but CD-ROM, and this is what type of CD-ROM you have. In this case, I do have an Asus DVD-RW drive. The type of sound device. Some of this stuff can be helpful to you if they ask you what type of monitor that you're running or anything like that. Some of this stuff can be helpful. Your keyboard, which is a Logitech. I do have a Logitech. Point device. This is also a Logitech that I have. It's not listed in here, but it is a Logitech mouse that I do have. Modem, we don't have modems anymore in computers. You can buy a modem, but unless you are doing something like faxing, then you don't need a modem. The type of network adapter you have, ports, serial ports, which we don't use, or at least not on this computer. Serial ports are still used, but you have to have a specific type of motherboard in order to have a serial port. But for the average consumer, we don't have that. Storage, you have your drives listed here. Whatever drives you have are listed on here. The number of drives you have can be listed in here as well. Your disk drive, the name of them, SCSI is in here. That's something you may not know about. IDE, we don't really use IDE anymore, but the chipset controller is still there. You have your printer information, what type of printer you have, any problem, devices that you may have where it could be a driver issue or a conflict issue. So I hope this video helps you all out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.